This week at Highridge AI Consulting, we're going to talk about your email inbox and email categorization. So when an email comes in, if it's important, you want to make sure that this is marked specifically. So you can find it straight away and you're not digging through 50 to 100 emails trying to find the priority ones that need to be dealt with there and then. So let's take a look. We will send an email from Outlook. It'll land in Gmail, and the AI will then categorize it and push it back into Gmail. So I'm going to send this now. So it's a demo email. And we will run the automation to see how this works. Okay. Okay, so we can see the automation here on screen, Gmail, the AI, and then we have a router which separates out by different queries. We can see here a quote request. So let's go into Gmail, take a look. All right, so we will refresh and we can see here, quote request. It has now come in, it's been color-coded blue as part of our labels. So this is a really helpful one, especially when you've got multiple emails. Easy to find, easy to use. Let me know if you have any ideas for any more automations and we can look to build them.